I love the song Oh Holy Night. It's one of my favorite Christmas carols. Go through the chords first and then I'll do the picking pattern for the verse as well. So the chords are F, B flat, C7, A minor, and an E7. And the picking pattern for the verse is 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First beat of the bar will be string 4. The last beat of the bar will be string 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F. Let's sing it. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Saviour's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks the new and glorious morn. And then it's where we go to the chorus. So the chords for the chorus are D minor and A minor, G minor, then we have the F, the C7, and the B flat. We're going to strum the chorus, so it'll be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, in that fashion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So on the D minor, we go to the chorus. Let's go. On your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we go back to the next verse, which is back to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let my light. See you next time.